North Central Arizona until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 3:10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing 2 inches of rain in the past 45 minutes in the Washington Park area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, trained spotters reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding. Waterville Falls, Whispering Pines, Ellison Creek Cascades, Freedom Acres, Geronimo Estates, Flowing Springs, Washington Park, Mesa del Canal, East Valley Estates, Payson Airport, Pine, Blue Ridge Reservoir, Beaver Valley Estates, Wonder Valley and Bonita Creek Estates. This includes the following recreation areas and campgrounds: Houston Mesa Campground and Cal Springs Campground. This includes the following swimming holes: Waterville Falls and Ellison Creek Cascades. This includes State Route 87 between mile markers 255 and 261. This includes the following creeks, washes and rivers: East Verde River. Flooding of washes and creeks will occur. Some dirt roads will become muddy and impassable. Paved roads and underpasses could become flooded as well. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Normally dry washes, slot canyons, and creeks can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: